You blowing up all over the news. Are you alone?
I just want the money.
You got the chip? All right, start it up, bud.
I'm tryna fuck you on your best team.
That's what I'm talking about! Hey, what the hell?
Relax. I want to talk this through. And?
Of course. But in your shoes, I would look for another way in first. My, that was quick.
90-pointers, time my diamond look like hula hoops. I've been mopping Tigger in the seats of my suits. Balenciaga check my prostitute.